In our last class, we discussed about the aniline, its preparation, and the chemical reactions. Now we are going to discuss about the another type of compounds which contains nitrogen. That means we'll talk about cyanides and isocyanides. Cyanide means having C triple bond N cyanide, and isocyanide means just the opposite NC. Okay, so we need to see the preparation of cyanides and isocyanides. So cyanide can be prepared from alkyl halide. So we have taken one alkyl halide, that is methyl bromide. When it reacts with alcoholic potassium cyanide, it is going to form methyl cyanide plus KBr. Similarly, we can also prepare methyl cyanide from amide CH3CONS2. This is an amide. When it is treated with phosphorus pentoxide P2O5 and heating is required, it is going to form methyl cyanide plus water. So these two methods are the preparation of cyanides. In a similar way, we can see for isocyanide as well. Isocyanides can also be from alkyl halide. So we'll take alkyl halide and it is treated with alcoholic silver cyanide solution. Remember that for cyanide we have taken alcoholic potassium cyanide, and for isocyanide silver cyanide. It is going to form CH3NC. This NC is isocyanide plus AzVr. Okay, and the second preparation is from primary amines, and that we already know, carbolamine reaction. So you'll write down the reaction once again for this carbolamine reaction. Okay, next. So that is all about cyanides and isocyanides. We need to discuss only the preparations. Next, we have got a very important compound that we call diazonium salts. Okay, so diazonium salts. If you remember that this diazonium salt we have seen in the diazotization reaction. Okay, previously also. Okay. Anyway, once again we'll see. We have seen this in chemical reactions of amines. So diazonium salt is basically prepared from aniline. Okay, aniline is treated with sodium nitrate and HCl at temperature of very low temperature, 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. It is going to form benzene diazonium chloride plus NaCl plus water. Okay, this reaction is known as diazotization reaction. Got it? So this is the preparation of diazonium salt. Now over here the important thing that we need to discuss is chemical reactions of diazonium salts, because since it is a very important intermediate, it is used for the preparation of many organic compounds. Okay, so the first reaction of diazonium salt is Sandmeer reaction. This we have studied in our first chapter, alkyl halides and aryl halides as well. Okay, once again, in this reaction we have got the replacement of chloride, bromide or cyanide, okay, in the benzene ring in the presence of copper ion. That means, say for example, if this is the benzene diazonium salt or chloride, if you treat with cuprous chloride in presence of HCl, it is going to form chlorobenzene. Okay, that means chlorine will get replaced plus nitrogen. Similarly, for bromobenzene, you can use cuprous bromide plus cuprous bromide in HBr, and for cyanobenzene, cuprous cyanide in KCl will give you cyanobenzene. So this reaction is known as Sandmeer reaction. Okay, the second reaction we need to discuss is Guterman reaction. In this reaction, it is similar to Sandmeer reaction. The only thing change is that instead of that copper salt, we'll take only a copper powder. Okay, so we'll take a benzene diazonium chloride, copper in presence of HCl to prepare chlorobenzene, nitrogen and cuprous chloride, and for bromobenzene we'll take copper, HBr, it will form bromobenzene, nitrogen and cuprous halide, and this is known as Guterman reaction. You go through the definition as well.